Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the error while fetching extensions in VS Code. Alright, let's begin. To fix this marketplace issue, first try adjusting your proxy settings. Open the settings menu from bottom left corner and search for proxy in the search bar. Then, scroll down to the proxy override configuration, which is usually set to default. Try changing this setting to see if it restores the connection. If adjusting the override option does not work, you can clear your system's connection cache through the terminal. Open your command terminal and type the DNS flushing command, then press enter. This will successfully flush your DNS cache and reset your network route to the extension marketplace. Finally, if the error persists, check your hidden configurations. Get to the User Settings tab from the top by searching for it. Then look for the proxy settings and click to open the settings.json file. Look for any active proxy addresses or authorization strings causing conflicts. Delete these lines entirely, set the proxy authorization to null, save the file, and restart VS Code. So that's basically how you can fix the error while fetching extensions in VS Code. That's it for this video. Thanks.